Have you ever felt a profound, inexplicable bond with someone, as if their thoughts are constantly dancing with yours? It's truly mesmerizing how our minds and hearts can sync up in such a deep way. Think about those times when someone feels so intimately connected to you that you could swear they're right there beside you, even across vast distances. This invisible tie acts like a fragile thread, weaving hearts and souls together, ensuring that physical space never truly separates us. Have you ever experienced that precise moment when you realize someone else is pondering you just as intensely as you're contemplating them? It's these enchanting synchronicities that reassure us we're never truly solitary. Imagine this. You're nestled in a charming cafe, observing the lively world around you, when suddenly, a warm memory envelopes you like a soft breeze. Perhaps it's the smile of a friend who always illuminates your day. This isn't just a fleeting thought. It's a reflection of the positive vibes someone holds for you. Angels want you to recognize that when someone treasures you, that love emanates outward, constructing a seamless bridge of connection and affection. It's akin to a graceful duet between two spirits, where each shared emotion is a heartfelt note that transcends all barriers of time and distance. Yet, this bond extends beyond romantic relationships to encompass friendships, family, and even those brief encounters with strangers who leave an indelible mark on your life. Sometimes, these potent energies become palpable, like receiving an unexpected call or a timely message that feels almost like fate. Have you ever pondered why these perfect serendipities occur? It's because angels are quietly orchestrating these moments, underscoring the relationships and emotions that hold true significance for us. These sacred bonds act as gentle nudges, reminding us that love and intention hold immense power, continuously intertwining our paths in meaningful ways. So the next time you're enveloped in a sudden wave of warmth or a profound feeling of connection, recognize it as a beautiful signal that you're always supported and never truly alone. And that leads us to ponder, what do these thoughts and emotions truly signify for you? They possess an incredible ability to heal, comfort, and even guide our journeys. If someone is sending intense thoughts your way, perhaps it's a sign to pay closer attention to that special connection. What can you do to nurture this bond? It could be as simple as sending a heartfelt message, making a call to check in on them, or even lighting a candle in honor of that cherished person. Each small gesture helps to energize and keep alive that connection. But what are the angels orchestrating for you right now? What we've just touched upon merely scratches the surface. As we delve deeper, you'll uncover how this connection can reshape your life in surprising ways and unlock new avenues of possibilities. Get ready, for significant revelations are en route, poised to illuminate your path and further fortify these spiritual ties. In the midst of life's hustle and bustle, there arise moments when all quiets down, and you find yourself immersed in profound contemplation. It's as if suddenly, a sacred space opens up around you, allowing the connection with the divine to heighten. The signs you receive are like whispers from the universe, direct messages from God, often appearing in subtle yet profoundly impactful ways. Have you ever paused to notice the small details around you? Like the unique formations of clouds in the sky, or the birds' morning melodies. Each of these elements can serve as an invitation for you to listen with an open heart. The truth is, often the signs are not just around you, but also within you. They show up in feelings, intuitions, and even in dreams. Have you ever had that sense that something important was about to happen, only to later realize that your intuition was guiding you? That's the celestial energy present in your life, helping to signal paths, warning about choices, and above all, sending messages of love and protection to you. Think back to the last time you felt lost or uncertain. What happened at that moment exactly? Many people share that in times of doubt, a book that unexpectedly appeared in their hands or a peaceful conversation with a friend was the key to finding the answer they were looking for. These moments are like a harmonious dance between angels and the universe, working together for you to reconnect with your inner light. Now, as you reflect on these signs, ask yourself, what is God trying to show me right now? Open your heart and allow the answer to flow naturally. How about trying a little ritual? Light a candle and, as the flame gently flickers, visualize your worries disintegrating. This is the perfect moment to deeply connect with your essence and listen carefully to what the angels have to say. You may be wondering, how do I identify these signs in my life? The key is to be present. When you allow yourself to slow down, even if just for a few moments, the messages around you become sharper and clearer. It is in these moments that a gentle breeze can whisper truths that you already knew, but that were hidden beneath the layers of the hectic daily routine. And that brings us to a fundamental point. Signs can manifest in various forms. Sometimes they are numbers that constantly repeat, other times, a symbol that appears in different contexts. Have you ever noticed how certain patterns emerge in your life, as if the universe is trying to grab your attention in a specific way? How do you feel when that happens? Remember, you're not alone on this journey. The angels are always by your side, ready to guide and support you. With that in mind, reflect on a moment when you received a clear sign. How did it make you feel? Emotions like joy, gratitude, and even surprise often accompany these transformative experiences. You are a co-creator of your own life, and each sign is a precious opportunity to align yourself with your true purpose. Embrace these moments and allow them to lead you to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. As you ponder these profound questions, be attentive. The next message from the angels may touch you in an even more significant way. Have you ever wondered if you are truly ready to recognize and welcome the signs that are being sent directly to you? This is the perfect moment to open your heart and allow yourself to be guided with confidence. In the coming days, you may encounter powerful revelations that have the potential to completely change your way of seeing the world and bring a renewed clarity to your path. Be prepared, for what lies ahead may further illuminate your journey in a surprising way. In the deep silence of your soul, have you ever stopped to truly listen to what resonates within you? Often, life presents us with challenges that seem like real mountains to climb. Although they are painful, these obstacles are actually subtle invitations for intense emotional growth and true self-discovery. It is in this moment of introspection that angels whisper their messages, guiding you towards the light that already exists within you. Are you willing to listen and follow this divine guidance? Think of a moment of pure tranquility, perhaps while watching the leaves being carried by the wind or savoring a hot tea on a cloudy day. It is in these moments of stillness that you can feel the angelic presence enveloping you with love and protection. The challenges we face are not just difficult tests, but true opportunities for us to evolve. Have you ever reflected on how your pain can transform into an incredible strength? Or how your insecurities can evolve into a solid and unshakable self-confidence? The journey toward self-discovery is often filled with uncertainties and doubts. You may feel lost, as if you are sailing in a sea of turbulent emotions without a defined course. But remember, each wave of doubt is an invitation to reconnect with your true essence. The angels are by your side to remind you that vulnerability is an essential part of your personal growth. By facing and embracing your emotions, you not only free yourself from internal restraints, but also allow your true beauty and strength to bloom in a full and radiant way. As you delve into these internal challenges, take a moment to reflect on a significant experience in your life that truly tested you. What was that very tough situation? How did you manage to overcome that obstacle? And most importantly, what has this journey taught you about who you are? Often, when we look back, we realize how much we have grown. Every tear you shed, every smile you wore, all of it shaped the strong and resilient woman you have become today. This leads us to a profound question. What emotional patterns do you feel the need to transform? The angels are always present, sending subtle signals to help you identify these issues. When you acknowledge what needs to be released, you are making room for new experiences and for your personal growth. So, what are you willing to leave behind at this moment in your life? Think carefully, for this question may deeply touch your heart and bring clarity to your path. And now, you may ask yourself, what do the angels have in store for you at this very moment? Prepare yourself, for the next phase of this journey promises to be even more revealing. Are you ready to embrace the light shining within you? That inner light is the key to unlocking all your potential, and the angels are here, ready to guide you through this transformation process. As you reflect on your emotions, remember that every step you take is a confirmation of your inner strength. And as you meditate on all of this, know that the universe is working in your favor, prepared to reveal what is to come. Connect with this positive energy and allow yourself to truly feel. Let the emotions flow, and if you feel inclined, share in the comments your reflections on this journey of self-discovery. What are the angels telling you in this special moment? In the stillness of the night, when your thoughts seem to dance and your emotions bubble intensely, have you ever paused to reflect on the delicate yet powerful role that angels play in your life? These beings of light, radiating love and protection, are always around you, even when you don't notice them. They are the guardians of your emotions, the guides in your relationships, and the gentle voices steering your decisions. Can you feel their protective presence surrounding you? Open your heart to this connection and allow yourself to feel the peace and guidance they bring to your journey. Have you found yourself amidst a period of uncertainties, perhaps facing a complicated decision in a relationship or considering embarking on a new career path? What would you do in such a moment? Often, the answer lies within you, but confusion and fear may cloud your vision. That's precisely where angels step in, bringing clarity and comfort. They whisper in your heart, guiding you towards the light and choices that truly reflect who you are at your core. This leads us to a very intriguing reflection. How many times have you felt that inexplicable impulse towards someone or a specific situation? This intuition could be a clear sign of angelic guidance, a call for you to open your heart and trust your own journey. You are not alone in this feeling. Many people report sensing this divine connection in the most decisive moments of their lives. Think about the story of someone who, in a moment of despair, came across a white feather on their path. Upon picking it up, they felt a wave of peace and protection wash over them. It was as if the angels were saying, "We are here, we believe in you." This simple interaction completely shifted their perspective, giving them the courage to take the next step and allow love and light to flood into their life. As you reflect on your own experiences, ask yourself, what might the angels be trying to tell me right now? What is hidden between the lines of your life? Sometimes, the answer lies in the small details, in the subtle signs that the universe puts in your path. Have you ever noticed how certain coincidences seem like much more than mere chance? They are the delicate tapestries of life, woven together by the invisible hand of the angels. And how can you strengthen this divine connection? A simple ritual could be lighting a candle as you contemplate your intentions. As you do so, visualize the light illuminating your thoughts, your relationships, and your decisions. Feel the celestial energy surrounding you, bringing clarity and love. This is a sacred moment where you allow yourself to hear the wisdom of the angels, letting them guide your journey with more confidence and serenity. But here lies the true mystery: what is yet to come? In what ways can this connection with the beings of light transform your life in ways you never imagined? This is a fascinating question that deserves to be deeply explored. Get ready, because the next message will bring astonishing revelations about what the universe is planning for you. Are you ready to embark on this exciting discovery? The journey of transformation resembles a crystal-clear river winding through the mountains of life. At times, the flow is calm and serene, at others, turbulent and full of challenges. Along this path, you may feel the presence of the angels, whispering secrets of change and renewal. They are always by your side, guiding you with love and light. How do you feel when you listen to these whispers? How does your soul react to the subtle messages that reach you? Embracing transformation allows you to open your arms to new possibilities and opportunities. Picture yourself in a lush garden, where each flower represents a fresh chance for growth. The true beauty of your development lies in your ability to recognize these little blessings that the universe places on your path. Have you ever noticed that in moments of doubt, a simple breeze can bring the answer you've been seeking? They want you to know that these signs are not mere coincidences, but divine invitations for change. It's crucial to pay attention to these subtle nudges. Sometimes life may seem challenging, and transformation may feel intimidating. However, it's in these moments that you must remember, you are not alone. Many people around you are also navigating their own transitions. By observing both your experiences and others, you can discover strengths within yourself. Think of someone you admire for their ability to transform. What did they do to reinvent themselves? What steps did they take to change their reality? These reflections can illuminate your own path and inspire your personal journey. And speaking of taking steps, how about starting with a simple act of self-love? A small ritual can be the first step towards a meaningful transformation in your life. Find a quiet corner, light a candle, and as you gaze at the gently dancing flame, repeat to yourself, "I am open to receive divine messages. I deserve positive changes." Allow yourself to feel the energy flowing through your body, like a comforting warmth that completely envelopes you. What do you notice as you do this? What feelings arise when dedicating this special moment to connect with yourself? As you begin to tune in to these divine signals, a new reality starts to emerge in your life. This new reality is not just about your desires, but also about who you are allowing yourself to be. Have you ever considered how, oftentimes, resistance to change can be the biggest hurdle to your progress? The angels are here to remind you that transformation is a precious gift, not a punishment. Every step you take into the unknown is actually a step towards your most true and authentic essence. And by allowing yourself to embark on this journey, you may realize that true transformation occurs when you embrace vulnerability. It's natural to wonder, what do I really want to change in my life? What is holding me back from moving forward? These questions are essential for your personal growth. By facing your own answers, you will start to uncover inner layers that once seemed insurmountable, paving the way for deep and meaningful development. But it's important to remember that transformation doesn't happen overnight. It's a constant process where each small step makes all the difference. In times of difficulty, it may be tempting to want to give up, but know that the angels are always there to support you. They want you to understand that every challenge brings a hidden opportunity. What you are seeking to change now might be exactly what opens the doors to a new and exciting phase in your life. As you ponder all of this, envision that what lies ahead is even more transformative. The angels have incredible messages reserved especially for you, guiding you on how to foster this significant change in your life. Have you ever wondered what they most want you to understand? The answer is closer than you can imagine. Are you ready to unveil the bright light that resides within you? This light will not only illuminate your own path, but will also be a source of inspiration and guidance for those around you. Get ready for a journey of inner discovery that will illuminate not only your life, but also those of everyone you love.